This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Natalie Alvarez. This immaculate and beautifully updated home is available in the desirable Brookside Isle community. This home features a split floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 2 nicely updated bathrooms and a 2-car garage. Enjoy your lake view from your covered patio and the open floor plan, which provides ample space for families and entertainment. Kitchen is upgraded with white shaker cabinets, granite countertops, and updated appliances. This home has immaculate laminate and tile floors throughout. Newly fenced yard, washer/dryer, AC and water heater all 1 to 2 years old. New 2020 impact garage door plus accordion shutters for all windows. This home is on one of the largest lots in Brookside Isle with a side yard and a new swing set. Open house 10/3 Saturday, 10 to 2 p.m. 10/4 Sunda. For more information, review the details below.